Basic building block 1, dream and why. Let's begin with the first phase, which is start. The first step, which is not action, but actually to set a dream and identify your powerful why. Because before anything is built in reality, it is first created in the mind. Before success becomes visible, it exists as a vision. And before results show up, there is a decision about what you truly want. And that's where most people go wrong. They focus on what to do before they are clear about where they're going. They take action without direction. And when there's no direction, even the hardest effort leads nowhere. A dream is what gives your life a destination. It defines your path before you take the first step. It answers the most important question. Where am I going? Because once that becomes clear, your actions start to align and your focus becomes sharper, your energy becomes purposeful, you stop moving randomly and you start moving intentionally. That, my friends, is the power of a dream. It's not just imagination, it's the foundation of all achievement. So let's begin with the most fundamental question of your journey. What is your dream? What do you really want? Not what sounds good, not if money wasn't a problem, if fear didn't exist, or if other people's judgment didn't matter to you. What kind of life would you choose? Would it be freedom to do what you really wanted to do? Financial security? Traveling the world? Maybe taking care of your parents? Giving your children a better life? And maybe even something deeper? Respect? Confidence? Proving to yourself that you can do more? Because let me tell you something very real. Most people don't fail because they are incapable. They fail because they never took the time to determine what they truly want. They live reacting to life instead of designing it. So can you imagine getting into a taxi and the driver asks you where you want to go and you say, I don't know, just drive? Where will you end up? Anywhere or nowhere? The truth is, that's how most of us live our lives. Busy but not really moving forward, not really getting anywhere. So today let's pause and ask ourselves, have you truly found your dream? Because your dream is the starting point of all achievement. Without it, you're just driving. With it, you're finally heading somewhere that matters. Now here's the second question. Now that you've found the dream, will you actually strive to achieve this dream? Because the truth is, a dream alone is also not enough. A dream is a picture, but what gives it power is actually your why. I've seen people start this business with big excitement and they say, I want to be successful, I want financial freedom. But within weeks they slow down. So why? When they already have a dream, financial freedom is a dream. Because when the rejection comes, and it will come, when people say no, when results don't come immediately, a weak dream can dissipate and disappear. This is where your why comes in. Your why is a compelling reason behind your dream. It's what keeps you going when people reject you, when results are slow, when doubt creeps in. You don't continue because you know how, you continue because your why is very clear. So understand this clearly. Dreams give you direction, your why gives you fuel. Dream and why are two distinct concepts. A dream represents what you want to achieve, whereas your why is the deep underlying reason that drives you to pursue it. When your dream connects with your why, your efforts gain purpose, your actions become consistent, and your belief grows stronger. To understand this clearly, consider a 5-year contrast exercise. Imagine where your life will be 5 years from now if nothing changes, the same income, the same routine, and the same limitations. Now contrast that with a scenario where everything works out, you achieve your dream income, gain both time and financial freedom, and live the life you truly desire alongside the people you care about. The emotional gap between these two scenarios is your true why. To uncover this, open the 5 whys exercise in your workbook. Start with your primary goal and ask yourself why it matters to you. Keep asking why repeatedly until you arrive at an emotional answer that truly resonates at a deeper level. Do not write something merely to impress others. Write what is genuinely real for you. Once written, review your why and ask, does it make you feel energized? Does it create a sense of urgency? Does it feel authentic? A weak why will only result in weak actions. When challenges arise, Surface level motivation will not sustain you. Your why will. If your why is strong enough, you will always find a way. If it is not, you will only find excuses.